Hey everybody, today we're heading to Nova Scotia over to the ship railway and the Paradise Loop. Hope you enjoy today's video. Fill it right to the brim, Mike. We'll see who burns more today. I got a heavier foot. We've officially made it to the trail though. We've got permission to be here from the snowmobile club. Somebody was driving out there. First stop, the ship railway pipeline shelter. Is there any fire on in here? Nope. Anybody want some butts? And a dirty diaper? Chignecto Ship Railway Historic Trail. You are here. The hurricane sure did knock a lot of these trees down, didn't it?
Yeah. From here to like...
Last time we come through here with Kelly and John, these were all like leaned like this and we had to drive under them. But they've got them cut off now. This is a lot better snow than we had last weekend too. Last weekend, it wasn't packy, but it wasn't quite fluffy. It was sort of like grainy. And it didn't compact. There was no traction. This is packy, this stuff. The sun's been on it all week. I'm gonna stop real quick and check and make sure mine's latched. It's actually pretty good going over here. Usually this trail is bumpier than hell, but they're sort of smoothed up a little bit. Anybody here?
Lights here. Oh,
Got a Chris in the pond. We're down to the ice now. Anybody coming? No. a beautiful day. It's not even cold.
Somebody out on the ice.
What is it? That's a truck. That's a pickup truck. He's got me. These are normal big holes in the summertime. You never know, we might break through. Doesn't look like it. A lot of whoops. I hope the footage looks good on this new camera. I got it in the highest settings. Hold up. Kawasaki country. Where's the snowmobile? He's got a light bar on his handlebars on the old Ski-Doo.
Hopefully you don't need any kids here. Go and lock chickens. Are we on a snowmobile trail?
Yeah, but we got permission to be here from the snowmobile club. I asked. I think we put it in four-wheel drive just in case. Right off the hop. Yeah, Matt's behind me. I need a tug. He needs a pull, I need a pull. Show off.
Get off the hard pack.
What's going on over here? RV! That's a water hole we're going over right now. Probably one of the bigger ones. Move over, Yamaha. This is all water holes. No problem, we just missed it all.